student, this is again the question. Name the gate implemented by this logic circuit. Okay, again to do this, what you have to do, as you can see that here we are having two inputs, this one and this one. Two inputs, that means a truth table you have to create with the 4 input combination like this: 2 0 2 1 0 1 0 1, and after that we have to pass 1 1 value in the circuit. First we have to take 0 0, as 0 0 passing from OR, it would give us 0, then 0 will be negated, it will give 1. If in this side a 0 is giving 1, so in this side, in this one, it will again give us what? 1. So the both are 1. 1 1 passing from OR will return into 1 and negation will result into 0. So as you can see, the result is 0 here due to this one. Again we have to take for the second row 0 1. 0 here bifurcated in two part, it means 0 0, as the NOR can receive at least 2 input. So we have to pass 2 input in any case. So in this case we are having only one input, dividing it into two part. Why? Because the NOR need 2 value at least. So again we are starting it, passing 0 0 from this place, passing 0 0 will return 0 in the case of OR and negation 1. Similarly this will be 1 1 passing OR 1 negation 0. 1 0 passing from the OR, it would be 1, and then 1 negation, it would be 0. That is why our second output is 0. Here you can see we have to take for the third one here, for the third values 1 0. So if the 0 1 result is 0, so 1 0 result again it would be 0. The passing is exactly same. As you can see here, the first operand was the 0 and the second was 1. Here the first is 1, second is 0. 1 0 and 1 1. In the second case also 1 0 and 1 1. So the result would be same, 0. Again we are passing 1 1, this value, 1 and 1 passing from OR 1 negation 0. Similarly here 1 1 passing from OR 1 negation 0. 0 passing from this one, it will be 0 and negation 1. Now you identify the result. Which truth table result is this? This is a result of AND, because in the AND case only, when all the values are 1, the result is 1. In rest of the cases result is 0, like this. So it means that this logic circuit is implementing which gate? AND gate.